Guys, I thought I've seen them all, but this brush in particular features a mechanism that I've never seen in electric toothbrushes before. Let's talk about it. So this is the RANVOO, and I'm gonna go over some specs and features while comparing it side by side to the Oral-B iO Series 8. And then I'm going to explain what makes the RANVOO so special and so unique. Let's dive in. So the RANVOO electric toothbrush comes with obviously the brush handle itself, plus 3 different brush heads. There is the just basic everyday brush head. There's also the soft bristled gum care one, kind of softer bristles there, as well as the whitening, kind of sturdier bristles here for teeth whitening. Just a little bit stiffer bristles to get those stubborn stain off. Plus it comes with a super sleek magnetic charger. It goes like this. The design of the charger plus the material of the brush itself helps to prevent mold buildup. So all of this comes out to $149. Stick around for a discount code. Meanwhile, comparably, the Oral-B iO costs $249, and that includes the brush handle itself, plus also 3 brush heads, the one on here, and then a couple of other slightly different ones. And of course it comes with a charger plus this little travel case, although I'm not sure the travel case warrants a $100 jump in the price. Anyway, moving on to battery life. So the RANVOO lasts up to an impressive 60 days on a single charge, while the Oral-B lasts only 14 days. Not as impressive. For the charging time, both toothbrushes take about 3 hours to get a full charge. In terms of the power level, it's a little bit difficult to compare these two, but just to try to give you an idea, the RANVOO does about 22,000 movements per minute, plus 12-degree micro sweeping vibration. And all of that does not include the AirJet technology, which I'll get into a little bit later. But then the Oral-B uses a magnetic drive to create micro vibrations and pulsations. And the power level on that is a little bit tricky to translate. They say it produces about 145 hertz of vibrations or sonic vibrations, which roughly translates to about 8,700, give or take, movements per minute. But again, that's not the most accurate representation, again, because it uses a magnetic drive to create like micro vibrations, pulsations. Ultimately, both of these brushes definitely produce more power than just a regular manual electric toothbrush. In terms of the different cleaning modes these toothbrushes offer, the RANVOO has 4 different cleaning modes, while the Oral-B has 6. Honestly, when it comes to different cleaning modes, I've always just chosen one and stuck with it. Usually the different modes are just a variation of power or intensity level. So I find a ton of modes just to be a little bit overkill. 3 modes seems to be like a decent number. 4 is like great. 6 is, I think, over the top, but that's my 2 cents. In terms of Bluetooth connectivity or app features, the Oral-B does have a Bluetooth app connection available. The RANVOO does not have any sort of Bluetooth feature, and honestly, good riddance. I am not technologically savvy and I hate extra technology when it's not needed. I feel like Bluetooth apps are a little bit overkill when it comes to electric brushes, so I'm definitely not missing the fact that it doesn't have an app connected to the brush. Now, this is a popular question among viewers that I never realized was a kind of a big deal breaker for some people, is the noise level. So the Oral-B sits at about 72 decibels, while the RANVOO produces less than 65 decibels, so a little bit quieter with the RANVOO. Next, we have the question of a pressure sensor. So the Oral-B does have a pressure sensor, but the RANVOO does not. However, I didn't really miss the fact that RANVOO doesn't have a pressure sensor because the AirJet technology allowed for a deeper clean without having to press the brush against the teeth very hard. Now, here is where it gets interesting, how these two toothbrushes work. More importantly, how the RANVOO works. So real quick, for the Oral-B, it uses a magnetic drive to create micro vibrations and pulsations, but the RANVOO uses a very unique AirJet technology. This helps to achieve a deep clean while being gentle and keeping your gums protected. It's basically the same concept as the ultrasonic scaler they use at a dental office for the deep cleanings. It vibrates and sprays air/water, which creates bubbles that pop against your enamel, removing the plaque and killing the anaerobic bacteria, or the bacteria that hates oxygen. I mean, check it out. You can see the RANVOO shooting the air bubbles in the water here. And by the way, this is flat water. This isn't sparkling water, which makes it seem like there's more bubbles. The Oral-B is just doing its little thing, but RANVOO is really getting that deep clean going. And again, I want to clarify, deeper clean, but still gentle, because it's the bubbles doing the cleaning action, which means you don't have to press as hard with your toothbrush. Now, one thing I did want to mention about my experience with the RANVOO, I noticed that when I was brushing, I really had to make sure the brush was submerged in enough enough liquid. The first time I used it, it felt like it was just blowing air at my teeth. But when I actually intentionally kept a little bit more liquid in my mouth wherever I was brushing, I could really feel the AirJet technology working. Now, I kind of talked to the company about this, and they said that they've never really gotten this kind of feedback before, so it might just be me, and I try to keep things very tidy in there as I'm brushing. I don't have a lot of saliva, I spit it out all the time, and I don't use a very foamy toothpaste, so it might just be that I have a generally drier mouth when I'm brushing. But anyway, I just felt like I needed to point that out for you guys. Overall, when I did keep the toothbrush submerged in water while I was cleaning my teeth, it really felt like a deep clean. Like no other electric toothbrush has made my teeth feel this clean. Dare I say, it almost felt like brushing and flossing at the same time. Now, I will never, ever, ever, ever give up flossing, but I just am saying that if you are hard pressed to floss, if you're not a big flosser, if you skip or you don't do a good job, this toothbrush might be a major upgrade for you. So if you're in the market for an electric toothbrush, or if you're just looking to really elevate your brushing experience, again, the RANVOO is a real game changer. And right now with Prime Day around the corner, it's happening June 23rd through 26th, they are offering a promotional discounted price of $127. Check out the description below for links to the product as well as any discount codes. Comment below what your biggest challenge has been with brushing, and let's see if we can help fix that with the AirJet technology of the RANVOO electric toothbrush. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.